Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah J. Awesome. I'm going to try to hurry up and do this video because it is raining here and I just did a little test when it was raining pretty hard and it messed up the audio, so I'm going to try to rush through this video. Today we are going to be looking at month 3 of Tesbox. I got this box in and it's actually a lot different than the last 2 months. And when it came in, I thought for sure it was my matte glass screen protector that I told y'all about in my last video. It's starting to rain here. But this box is actually from Tesbox. So let's go ahead and open this up. If you don't know what Tesbox is, it's a monthly subscription for people that are basically either Tesla owners or Tesla enthusiasts. And you just pay a monthly fee and they send you a box every month that just has random Tesla items in it. It can either be accessories for the car or just things for you like hats, masks, t-shirts, keychains, things like that. Okay, I think is it upside down? Tesbox. So I'm thinking this might be something to do with Cybertruck. You can check boxes for which Tesla models you're interested in. The Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, or Cybertruck. This looks so cool. I love the spray paint look on here. I am so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have been wanting more t-shirts, more Tesla t-shirts, because I only have 2 right now. And look what we have in here. Cybertruck t-shirt in my size. You check the box for what size fits you and they'll always send you the right size. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. I was really hoping that there was going to be a t-shirt in here. And I was really hoping it was going to be Cybertruck stuff. This is so cool. I will probably try to put this on in a minute, but I'm going to save that for last in case I get lipstick all over it. Thank you for subscribing to Tesbox. In Elon we trust. You'll always get at least 5 items in your Tesbox monthly. Last month I got 8 items. So I'm not sure how many are in here. It looks like just 5 this month. All right, this is item number 2 for emergency window or glass breaking needs only. I actually just bought a glass breaking tool and seatbelt cutter recently, and I put them in all 4 of my vehicles. So this is awesome because then other people don't have to buy it if it's what I think it is. But I kind of wish that like I hadn't wasted money on mine now. But I did get it for like all my other cars, so I guess it's not a waste. And I can always give my extra one to someone else. If I can get this packaging open, oh my gosh. What the heck? Okay. So there is this little ball. I guess this is supposed to replicate the steel ball that they threw at the Cybertruck window and accidentally broke the window. That's hilarious. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's hilarious, but it's also kind of like completely useless. And you definitely do not want your children to get a hold of this or your animals. So beware of this little ball that may fall out of your packaging this month, you guys. And this next thing, okay, adult jokes here. This looks highly inappropriate and I feel like I should not be showing this on my channel because this is a family channel, but I guess this is supposed to be the glass breaker. Am I just supposed to like just stab my window right here? I don't know, but this reminds me of some like American Horror Story type stuff, which I had to stop watching because it was just too extreme. It gave me nightmares. yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that. This is hilarious. I don't know. This is kind of like, hello, I don't, okay, I'm gonna call this is hilarious, but also useless in my opinion. And I feel like this is, are they serious about this? Like, can this actually break the glass? Is this actually a tool or is this a joke? I'm not sure. This is an adult joke, you guys. No dirty comments on this video, okay? I know we're all thinking the same thing, but don't say them. Now, this is not in the test box, but this is my real glass breaker that I got on Amazon. I got 4 of them for 12 bucks. I don't think I'm gonna link this because this isn't for this video, but this is a legit glass breaker in my opinion. And I just got it from Amazon Prime. This did not come in test box, but this is their joke of a glass breaker, but it's hilarious and I love it, but I'm not gonna use it. This is, in my opinion, it's kind of useless. Come on. But they make up for it with this cool t-shirt, that's for sure. Next we have, oh, this is cool. This is the coolest sticker that we have gotten in the boxes so far. We have got stickers, or at least a sticker in each box so far. And I've been meaning to kind of collect them and put them on my Tesla notebook I have to write down like videos I want to do, videos I've already done, questions people have, etc., etc. So I'll be putting this on there. That is just so awesome. I love the writing. I love what they did with the paint look, with the paint like dripping down. It just, I don't know, it looks so cool. Then we have this little Cybertruck sticker. And last, but definitely not least, they did like a wood burning kit type thing. It's not really a kit because they already did it, but this is real wood. And they burned kind of like the blueprint look of the Cybertruck on here. That is so awesome. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm probably, actually, you know what? I just cleaned off my bookshelf and my son repainted the bookshelf, so I will be putting this up there, probably behind my record player. I'll probably just have a little spot in my living room for all my test box stuff like this. Until one day I can finally get my own YouTube studio like my husband, and then I'll put all of my little gizmos and gadgets from Tesla stuff in my office. So that is all we have for this month, but this t-shirt is definitely a winner to me. You know, the stickers, I love one of the stickers. The other one's kind of like eh. The Cybertruck word sticker is awesome. The break the glass thing is hilarious, but in my opinion it's also useless, so I'm gonna call that one a flop. This is definitely a winner. It's honestly, it's beautiful. Like, it's, look at this edge here. I love this. It's really classy and definitely usable. Very cool to put on your wall or something like that. This little tiny sticker here, it's okay. I'm gonna call it kind of a flop because I don't like when they put 2 stickers in here, but I mean, a t-shirt you could easily spend 20 bucks on. And this box was $35, so I'm gonna say that with this and the t-shirt, it was a winner. It was definitely a winner. I love the box. I love this t-shirt. Let me try to put this on without smearing my lipstick everywhere. And we'll see how well this actually fits. Wish me luck, because this lipstick will definitely stain. We'll see if this actually fits good. I don't know about y'all, but I like to roll my sleeves up a little bit. I'm a 90s girl, so my husband's always like, why do you roll your sleeves up like that? That looks so weird. I'm like, dude, this was like the coolest thing in high school. What are you talking about? All the girls had their sleeves rolled up on their t-shirts, and I will do it until I die. Shut up. What do you think? I think it looks totally awesome. I am in love with it. I will definitely be wearing this today. I love the color. It's very neutral. It makes my skin look good. Some colors Like, neon colors do not look good on me. Of course, I'm wearing this neon yellow shirt, but I think it looks awesome. It fits really well. It's super soft. I love this shirt. I'm definitely wearing this today. So, what do y'all think about Tesbox this month? I think it's a win because of the t-shirt and the wood burning panel thing. I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this month's Tesbox? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's worth the money? Personally, I would be happy just to get this. So I think it's a win. I am super happy with it. I think y'all did a great job on this box this month, Tesbox. Fantastic. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.